As an alternative to doing an auto-scan, you can choose to read fault codes, also called diagnostic trouble codes, for individual controllers. In this case, we are investigating possible causes of an engine running poorly. When the correct BMW model has been selected, click the listing for the relevant controller. In this case, we click Engine Controller. Read all current fault codes for the controller by clicking Read Fault Codes. There is a current fault code that corresponds with the symptoms the motorcycle is experiencing. Frequency count shows how many times the fault code has recurred since it was first logged. For persistent faults, the count will usually be 1. For intermittent faults, the count will usually be more than 1. Fault code history is a list of relevant parameters that were recorded at the time the fault code was logged. This information may be of help when diagnosing the problem that led to the fault code being recorded. GS911 also gives you actionable troubleshooting procedures for many fault codes. To read the troubleshooting procedures, the control device must have internet access. If the fault code value or fault code description is a hyperlink, click it. A web page will open. The page will show the needed troubleshooting procedures. It is important to understand that simply clearing the fault code will not cure the underlying problem. A fault code is simply an alert that a problem exists. The correct method is to use the fault code as a pointer to what the underlying cause of the problem is or may be, then to rectify the cause so that the fault code cannot be logged again. Repair the root cause of the problem. In this case, the electrical connector for the cylinder 1 fuel injector had been left unconnected. With the root cause rectified, delete the current fault codes for the controller by clicking Clear Fault Codes. After clearing fault codes, it is important to check that the fault code is not relogged. If the fault code is not relogged, it is safe to assume that the fault has been eliminated.